I drive our global industry solutions portfolio. We have teams around the world working with solution partners and system integrators to enable our customers across all the high signal industries to start using HoloLens and all kind of the technologies that are around in that realm. We've been working with Bentley Systems and specifically with Synchro for quite a while, and we started the conversation about them building mixed reality solutions from 2 years ago, and they started experimenting and started kind of building and commercializing their mixed reality solutions to be able to enable people to view 3D architectural CAD models on site to be able to do much more efficient and accurate construction monitoring, construction inspection, and things like that. And as we started with Synchro, which is a 4D solution, we're also now discovering opportunities, and Bentley's customers asking us to be able to integrate Bentley models into many different kind of mixed reality solutions. So that's kind of the wider and longer term and closer relationship and the partnership we have with Bentley, and that's what brought us here. We worked with FC Barcelona, and FC Barcelona is rebuilding their stadium. And the difficulty in this process is that FC Barcelona, during the entire gigantic construction, every single weekend, they still have to welcome 100,000 people to come into the stadium to watch the games while the entire construction is going on. And so that requires accurate construction monitoring, which the existing technology does not enable. So then they looked to us and they looked to Bentley to help them to create a construction monitoring solution. That essentially what we did is we take the IoT camera information of the construction site, overlaying it with the Bentley 4D models on top. And then this enables remote monitoring, and with our Microsoft's computer vision service to do a lot of the accurate alignment and be able to do remote construction monitoring. And at the same time, we have also built the HoloLens on-site solution where all the stakeholders originally every single week have to come to the site to inspect the progress of the construction. Now they're able to take a HoloLens instead of pulling up a paper-based blueprint to really be able to compare where the project's supposed to be versus what's in reality on site, and be able to spot a lot of the construction mistakes much more in advance. For example, you're supposed to build this pillar here, but you can't really be able to see that based on a 2D blueprint on paper, but you can immediately see that from a 3D representation of a visualization through HoloLens. You know that this thing is 3 feet off. And that gives them a lot of efficiency to do construction inspection. HoloLens in general, kind of what we call mixed reality technology. It is essentially a technology that can bring lots of the virtual reality, the virtual data, information, and virtual objects into the physical world. And if you think of an Ironman, we're essentially changing the construction field and making construction workers and become Ironmans working on the field, and be able to access all this information in front of their eyes, but not only as a heads-up display, but also bring these virtual information in context relevant to the physical world. Imagine that on a construction site or in a connected factory, you actually can get to see the real-time data right next to the IoT sensor instead of seeing it on a 2D screen in a back operating room with somebody staring at a monitor somewhere.